BB wants to look for Joey. Joey came and ate breakfast, and BB was out with them. I let him out. He wanted out at like 6 in the morning. I let him out. Then they came back at about 9, and Joey ate. There's his dish. BB, you gonna go look for Joey? And then we woke up to this. Snowing. Honestly, so annoying. But I hope it melts. I won't have to really do much. I might have to get rid of the slush in the driveway. That's about it. BB? Where'd BB? Oh, he's eating again. Hey, I thought you were going to go look for Joey. There's Dorky. There's Swiffer. Yeah, I need to go out there and clean the snow, but it's still snowing, so it's supposed to transition to rain, so I'm just going to wait. Wait till it stops snowing. You guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.